The concept of surface electromagnetics and wave manipulation is at the basis of a great revolution that is currently going into the field of wireless systems, electromagnetic field systems, and generally speaking, communications. The idea at the basis of this is the capability of microscale design structures to control the reflection of wave in an engineered way. This is currently paving the way for a completely new generation of system and applications that have never been explored before. The objective of the 2 weeks course is to build upon both theory, starting from basic of wave manipulation, generalized analysis law, and then application, also including MATLAB's exercises, so to get insight both at the microscale wave manipulation capabilities of meta-atoms, as well as macro-scale control of propagation and coverage for wireless systems. I really think this is a great time to follow this course, as there is a great demand both from the scientific viewpoint as well as from the industrial viewpoint for knowledge and innovation in the field. And this course is really targeted to build from the basis to the application. So if you're interested in, I really recommend you join the course, go to the website and check the information, and I hope you'll enjoy the course if you participate.